Welcome back to the Divine Appetit. I hope you got to watch our video on buttery flour tortillas. Now we're going to show you what you could do with them. They're great for pizzas. Now we're going to make the pizza sauce for our tortilla pizzas. I have here a pint jar of San Marzano tomatoes that I jarred. I'm going to drain the water out of. Some olive oil. And some spices, a pinch of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, a half a teaspoon of basil, and a half a teaspoon of oregano. And of course, our divine butter tortillas. First, we're going to put a little olive oil in the pan. I drained the juice out of my tomatoes. I'm going to add them. And we're going to get them going and break them down with a fork. Now we're going to add our spices. Get those worked in. And we're going to let this reduce down a little bit and simmer on low. Okay, our sauce cooked down a little bit. Let's put this pizza together. If you're using a conventional oven, you might want to preheat it to 425. I'm using a Ninja Foodie XL. They always say use less sauce than what you really want to put on there. Go to the edge. We got some Applegate turkey pepperoni, uncured. Throw layers some of that down. Some Sargento whole milk mozzarella. The wife and I are finding these are kind of the perfect size. Getting less carbs with the tortilla. It just gives you the right amount. Get black olives. Onion we're going to use. Okay, let's get this thing in the oven. And right on the rack, I put some foil down there to protect it. And the tortilla usually curls up so nothing really goes over the edge. I cook mine at 425. 10 minutes usually does it, but you want to watch it at 9 to make sure it's not getting too brown. You could use whatever toppings you like, but this is the result. So I'm going to hit this with a little Sargento grated Parm. It makes the perfect crispy pizza crust. And stay tuned, because we're going to have more pizza recipes.